Shug Muffin? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel. Before I go any further, go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me. Alright guys, so today is another edition of
Budget Friendly Friday. I said Budget Friendly Friday. I said Budget Friendly Friday. A Budget Friendly Friday.
Yes, y'all, we are back with another edition of Budget Friendly Friday, which is where I am bringing you or showcasing wigs that are under $25, sis. Yes, we gotta save these coins. So today's review is on another Outre unit, and it is from the Daily Wig collection. This unit is in the style THORA. Interesting name, never heard that name before in my life. And I have her in the color DR425. So let's go ahead and dive right on into this review.
Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. Later clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and roll, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new job.
Alright y'all, so after quickly styling THORA, let's go ahead and get into my thoughts. So first and foremost, if you watch me, you know I love this color. You know I absolutely love this color. I also love the style. Like, come on. Absolutely beautiful. I'm here for it all day, every day. Now, I recently reviewed a wig very similar to this, and that was a unit from the stylist in the style Selena. Very similar in my opinion. Like, they both have this color, they both have these waves and slash curls, and then they both have these very nice layers already cut into it. The only difference I'm noticing is number one, the price. And number two, this has a much lighter density. So it's all in a matter of preference. If you don't want to spend the 40-something on the other one, you can spend 20-something on this one and get the same look, sis. Definitely for beginners, you'll throw on and go. I didn't have to do anything to this wig. Now I did kind of get rid of that double layer of lace that was at the front, and I accidentally cut too big of a V. And then you saw me just repair it. I mean, you know, players mess up. That's another movie reference. Players F up. But seriously, mistakes happen. And so it was fixable. I just cut it off some more and look, made it work. It works. No problem. All I really had to do was just go into the parting space and brighten it up a little bit. That's really it, y'all. I ain't do nothing else. It's a very comfortable cap, very stretchy. I feel like there's still a lot more room, and I do have a small to medium sized head, so I am comfortable saying that it is all head friendly. This texture is probably more on the silky side, definitely more on the silky side, but this is not the kind of hair to, you know, really run your fingers through, although it's not running through too bad, to be honest. Not at all. So no heavy tangling. I have not even been experiencing a whole lot of shedding, to be honest. Minimally, not a lot though. This is a very light density. Although it looks full, it's very lightweight. So let's talk about the price and how she fits in this budget-friendly Friday. You can easily find this unit anywhere between $17 and $25. Can you believe it? Like, this is a lot of hair. Like, she's really long. I don't know if you can see these inches, but she got some length. She's super pretty, not a whole lot of shangling. Like, that's a hit for under $20 or even up to $25. But you can definitely get her at $17. So, as always, I'll be sure to leave a shopping link down in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. I always leave all sorts of links down in the description box. I have a red hair playlist that I'll probably leave down there too. Probably some other long, curly, wavy type of wigs playlist that I have that I'll leave all of that in the description box below. So check it out. So that's really all I have for you wonderful people today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would love to know your thoughts on this unit, so let me know down in the comments below. Let's chat about her. If you made it this far, go ahead and leave me a little red apple right here down in the comments below. And if you don't have access to your emojis, just type red apple. That way I know you made it to the end, Shug Muffin, and I truly appreciate you for that. As I mentioned before, if you're not already, make sure you follow me on Instagram at MsEbonyVee. I tend to post a lot of content there as well. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not. And I'll be sure to catch you wonderful people in the next video. Bye, y'all.